Hello, welcome to our next video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create forms in Activity Messenger, which could be liability waiver forms, evaluation forms, surveys, or any other type of form that does not have a registration attached, which we saw in the previous video. So we're going to click on forms here. And I'm actually going to go into our samples just to give you a few examples. So let's say you're coming to Activity Messenger and one of the things you want to create is a liability waiver. Well, I could simply click here and you'll have a nice template that you can then create and go modify. So from there, you'll have all the different options of the liability waivers. So the I read and accept, the digital signature, confirmation information, and who you're collecting the information on. This is again a very simple sample that you can play around, add in your conditions, move things around to see how you like it and how you're designing it. Take some notes that you'll be able to ask again during your onboarding. And if you want to test it out, you just click on the visitor fill and you'll be able to test it out. Next, you can say, actually, I want to do a survey, right? So that would be another example I like to show. So we go to our end of session survey and I'm going to click on create. So again, you can see that the survey and the waiver are very similar in terms of like creating the form. And then from there, you can add in questions, you can edit and, change to, let's say, a 10-star rating here. And you can add more questions. So if you click on the plus sign, you'll have a lot of other questions or options that you can test out. Try to rebuild a bit the survey that you're looking into, and note your questions as well. And same thing if I wanted to create, let's say, an evaluation form. So here's a swim assessment. So it's the same concept. We're just changing the questions and using it in a different use case, such as this one for an evaluation form for a swim school, but it could be for any type of evaluation form. So go ahead, try to create one or two forms for your organization, and we'll help you out. We'll help finalize everything else on the onboarding call. Thanks.